Hello everyone and welcome to Pendulum EDU, and here in this session I am back with a vocabulary session with you where we are going to have set of words for you guys today right here. Let's begin with the session for today and the article. If you haven't subscribed the channel for regular sessions with us, do subscribe it right away. The article for today heads as threat or treat on RCEP trade deal. Now there's a trade deal wherein has been signed with the like RCEP has signed it. So the trade deal, what it brings up, is it has it something positive or the negative aspect, we would come to know today in this article for sure. Now threat or treat, you see a negative word and then there's a positive word. So is it hopeful or is it demotivating or discouraging? We have to discuss this and we have to decide on this. The final agreement of RCEP covers various issues that India had flagged. Flagged is a verb which means it has marked or it has highlighted. So probably whatever India has given or stated, there must be few things or few points which India must have definitely highlighted or come up with. Like India must have come up with referring it, pointing out to it, and these things it covers all the issues that India had highlighted or flagged at that moment. So किसी चीज़ को जो हम कहते हैं ना एक तरीके से हाईलाइट करना या उस पर प्रभाव डालना या प्रकाश डालना ज़्यादा बेटर होगा, राइट? उसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं फ्लैग. The Regional Comprehensive Economic Partnership. You have to remember the full form because when it comes to current affairs perspective, you can be asked the full form of RCEP, or questions can be asked instead of RCEP, they can give you the full name. So RCEP was signed into existence on Sunday by 15 countries. Again, an important point. A very important point, guys. This was signed on Sunday by 15 countries led by China, Japan, South Korea, Australia, New Zealand, and 10 state ancient grouping, creating one of the world's largest trading blocs. That is a group. Okay. Now, if you see, bloc is an alliance wherein people come together into one group for one particular purpose or agenda. जब सब मिलकर, कुछ लोग मिलकर एक ग्रुप फॉर्म करते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर चीज़ के लिए काम करने के लिए, दैट इज़ अ ब्लॉक और अलायंस. सो यहाँ पर जो RCEP जो साइन हुआ है, ये जो ट्रेड डील थी RCEP की, ये this has been signed by 15 countries. Now this is to be marked on, it was on Sunday, the date was, if it was 16th, right? So if you see right here, it was signed on 16th and by 15 countries. Now it was led by China, Japan, South Korea, Australia and New Zealand, and the other 10 states. It has been clearly given to you right here. So the question might arise, which of these do not form or do not are not the names when it comes to RCEP deal? So probably one such name would be given out of these 15 countries and you have to answer that question. That can be a question in your current affairs section definitely. Noticeable by its absence. Guys, noticeable is an adjective. Noticeable means something that is worth to notice or something that is clearly visible. Okay, ध्यान देने योग्य, वो चीज़ noticeable होती है. So noticeable by its absence was India, which after 7 years of protracted negotiations, protracted is again an adjective, and protracted means long, lamba. So protracted means long. So instead of long negotiations for 7 years even, last November it decided to exit the grouping. So remember this. And now why is RCEP deal important? Because India decided to exit this part. India is not a part of this deal. India had justified its decision as protecting its economy from burgeoning trade deficits. Burgeoning, that is an adjective, it means increasing. कहते हैं ना बढ़ता हुआ, तो भाई जो ट्रेड डेफिसिट है वो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है, बढ़ता ही जा रहा है। तो अपनी कंट्री को ट्रेड डेफिसिट से बचाने के लिए इंडिया ने डिसीजन लिया, या अपनी इकोनॉमी को इस चीज़ से बचाने के लिए इंडिया कहते हैं, जो हमारे लीडर्स हैं, they come up with a statement that to save our country or economy from increasing trade deficits, this is the reason why they decided to exit this group. With a majority of 15 RCP members, and had cited the grouping's refusal. Cited, that is stated, the grouping's refusal to accede to its requests on safeguards as a deal breaker. To accede, it's again a verb. Okay, so it has cited the grouping's refusal to accede to its request to support, to stand by, साथ खड़े होना, okay, support देना, साथ देना. So it has stated that the grouping जो refusal है उस चीज़ को उनको support करना चाहिए. उन्होंने request किया है ऐसा कुछ उनके against कोई step ना लिया जाए. Moving ahead, it has been said those reasons were on the face of it justifiable at the time and were welcomed by industries. The reasons that we are given वो बहुत ही justifiable थे, सबको लगा कि ठीक है, ये सही है, मान्य है, तो वो जो चीज़ मान्य है उसको वो approve करते हैं. Trade farmers groups. However, 12 months down the road, India's opting out appears far more debatable in terms of its economic rationale. Rationale is a noun which means, like, you can say a point of statement. तो जो उनकी इकोनॉमिक स्थिति है या सिचुएशन है या जो प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, ओके, उन चीज़ों पर, इकोनॉमिक प्रिंसिपल, इकोनॉमिक रैशनल्स पर ये चीज़ थोड़ी सी वियर्ड है कि आप आफ्टर 12 मंथ्स, पहले आप हिस्सा बन जाते हो, आफ्टर 12 मंथ्स यू डिसाइड टू एग्जिट इट. With global trade and the economy foundering on the shoals of COVID-19 pandemic. Foundering is a word which means standing, breaking. ठीक है, मतलब बार बार खड़े होते हैं फिर गिर जाते हैं, खड़े होते हैं फिर गिर जा रहे हैं. सो कितने एक तरीके से फंबल कर रहे हैं हम, लड़खड़ाना. So foundering on the shoals of COVID-19 pandemic, इसकी edge पर, okay, especially as new infections in Europe and the US prompt fresh restrictions there, the preeminence of the East Asian and Pacific countries, including China, South Korea, Vietnam, Australia, and New Zealand, serving as a bulwark in containing the pandemic and re-energizing economic activity, can hardly be understated. Now, the preeminence, that is the superiority, जैसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं श्रेष्ठता, preeminence is noun, okay. तो जो ये superiority बाकी जो पैसिफिक कंट्रीज़ हैं जो दिखा रही हैं, देखो भाई यूरोप और यूएस फिर से वहाँ पर फ्रेश केसेस आ रहे हैं कोरोना, दैट इज़ कोविड. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर आर अदर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस पोज्ड देयर. तो वो ऑब्वियस है, वहाँ वो कंट्रीज फिर से रिस्ट्रिक्शंस में है तो इकॉनमी इतना फ्लरिश नहीं करेगा. अब यहाँ पर जो ईस्ट एशियन कंट्रीज़ हैं वो इकोनॉमिक वो एक सुपीरियरिटी लेवल पर हैं, वो काम कर रहे हैं और वो एज अ बुलवर्क सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. बुलवर्क, दैट इज नाउन विच मीन्स प्रोटेक्टर, जिसको हम कहते हैं रक्षक. तो वो एक रक्षक की तरह लड़ रहे हैं और पैंडेमिक को कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं. और भाई जब वो न्यूजीलैंड हो, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, हम सबको पता है कि वहाँ पर बहुत हद तक कंट्रोल्ड है ये सब, ठीक है. वहाँ पर इतना गंदा या ख़राब सिचुएशन नहीं है. सो दे आर डेफिनेटली ट्राइंग. अगर हम इन कंट्रीज़ का नाम लें तो ये सब कंटेन कर पा रहे हैं और अपनी इकॉनमी को फ्लरिश करने की कोशिश करें. तो इनको हम अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं कर सकते, आप इनको अंडरस्टेट नहीं कर सकते. Add to this the heightened tariff uncertainty generated by the deadlocked Brexit negotiations between Britain and the EU. तो अब ये भी एक नया पॉइंट था भाई, नया पॉइंट नहीं, ये भी एक पॉइंट था. जहाँ पर बहुत सारा लॉस बेयर किया है। तो जो डेडलॉक था, जो कि एक तरीके से कहते हैं ना, एक डेडलॉक की स्थिति में एक जो हिंड्रेंस, ऑब्स्टेकल, एक जो गांठ बन गई थी वहाँ पर, एंड इट बिकम्स एविडेंट। एविडेंट इज एन एडजेक्टिव विच मीन्स क्लियर, साफ। तो ये साफ हो जाता है, क्लियर हो जाता है दैट इंडिया में हैव मिस्ड अ वाइटल अपॉर्चुनिटी। अगर इंडिया ने इससे अपना जो ग्रुपिंग है या इस अलायंस से अपना नाम जो है वो वापस ले लिया या एग्जिट कर दिया इधर से। It has also been given that the RCEP members now account for about 30% of the global GDP and a third of the world's population. The signatory states were emphatic, that is forceful. It's an adjective. या आप कह सकते हो जोरदार, बलपूर्वक। तो वो इस चीज़ को लेकर एम्फेटिक थे that the timing of the accord presents a unique opportunity to support their economic recovery, inclusive development and job creation, even as it helps strengthen regional supply chains. वो बता रहे हैं कि जो ये टाइम है या ये जो मोमेंट है, इस मोमेंट पर वो क्या क्या कर सकते हैं। एक ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी है जहाँ वो सारी कंट्रीज मिलकर अपनी इकोनॉमिक रिकवरी के बारे में कर सकते हैं काम, इंक्लूसिव डेवलपमेंट और जॉब क्रिएशन। जब सारी कंट्रीज मिलकर काम करेंगी तो ऑब्वियस है देयर विल बी इम्प्रूवमेंट फॉर श्योर। Interestingly, among the ancient signatories are several relatively far smaller economies, including Vietnam and the Philippines, which not only continue to have their share of disputes with Beijing, but also suffer significant trade imbalances with Asia's largest economy. Now, जो signatories हैं वो थोड़ी सी, if you see, there is Vietnam there is Philippines there, which are smaller economies and they have multiple problems with other countries, or on their personal front also as an individual country they have their own issues, but still they have come up and they're trying to work on it. That these and other larger nations in the grouping have chosen to bury their geopolitical differences with China in order to prioritize what they collectively see as a mutually beneficial trading compact that would benefit the economies over the longer term is the clearest testament. Now, if I talk about testament, I am definitely talking about a noun subject, which means some evidence or a proof. This is something that we have as a I would suggest it to be something which is it's sort of something that without any certainty, but we have a proof or we have something to state up. So it says, is the clearest testament to economic realism trumping nationalist politics. So this has been clearly stated by the writer that people, they have their own problems, but the example has been given for Vietnam and the Philippines, but all of these countries, they're forgetting the geopolitical differences and they're coming together just because they wish to revive their economy. It has also been quoted that also the summary of the final agreement shows that the pact does cover an attempt to address issues that India had flagged, including rules of origin, trade in services, movement of persons, and crucially remedies and safeguards. Now, here if you clearly analyze and see, it is clearly stated that if we summarize, then the final agreement or the deal that has been made, it shows that it was a clear attempt to address the issues that India came up with or India marked, whether it was rules of origin, trades and services, or movement of people from one country to another, and the security purpose of the things that were there concerning the country itself. So all of these points have been covered in this trade deal. Acknowledging India's economic heft and value as a market, The RCEP members have not only left the door open should New Delhi reconsider its stance, that is its standpoint or its viewpoint. कहते हैं ना अपना नज़रिया अगर वो बदल देते हैं, so it's a now. So if it's changed its standpoint, but also waived a key 18-month cooling period for interested applicants, it would be in India's interest to dispassionately review its position and embrace openness rather than protectionism. We all know about protectionism, that is to protect your country from, or you protect your domestic market from the foreign market. Okay, that is protectionism. Okay, इसको हम स्वदेशी जो हम local की बात कर रहे हैं और domestic situation, domestic, you can just take it as we're talking about domestic market more, we're giving it more importance, which is needed in every country. For any country, it is definite that a domestic market should flourish better and better. So what has it done? It has given it an open 18-month cooling period if there is any country that is interested to be a part of, and this is majorly for India, because the things that as a value in the market, the India has a value, and its economic heft. It's a noun which means the quality or the weightage. The weightage एक तरीके का जो भार होता है, या right, so the weightage that India has as an economy and the value that it has in the market, definitely RCEP thinks that it should be a part of, or it should be a part of the deal that has been signed, the pact that they have come up with the other 15 countries. So yes, this is the suggestions that the writer has for the country, and this was the entire article about the RCEP deal. You need to know the full form. You need to know it is 15 countries. India was a part. Now it's not a member of the same. But 18-month cooling period has been given if any interested country wishes to be a part of it. This was the article. The list of the words are there on our site. The link is given in the description. You guys can go and check the words right there. If you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it right away, and not to forget to like and share the video. I shall see you soon in the next session. Thank you so much.